everybody, Solidarity Mwanakomada right here in South Africa at Boksburg Boutique Hotel. Yes, so guys, I've come to show you, this boutique hotel. It's so beautiful, and one thing I love about it is very close to the airport. Zvichireva izvo kuti kune avo vanoflya from Zimbabwe, Zambia nekunyika dzakangosiyana siyana. Unobva watoenda pa-internet pa-booking.com wobva watobhuka pa-this boutique. It's so beautiful, very convenient. So apa ndandakuitwa inonzi boutique tour kuti ndione kuti zvandinoona pa-internet ndizvo here. Guys, these are the rooms. Marooms acho akanaka, very beautiful and very refreshing. There's internet. Ndangoti ndingokutaridzai one of the rooms. I'm just flexing to show you guys. So apa pane conference room. Kana mune ma-conferences enyu guys, kana mune ma-function enyu. It's a one-stop shop. They serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. Hey, kune avo vanoenda, especially vanoenda kubasa vendege dzedze makuseni dziya zvokuzoti wasvika pa-airport ozonzi wakuenda kupika wanzi hoteli yacho iri kwakati. Apa it's very close to the airport. Even kana wauda kuchidzokera hausiwe kanendege because unongori padhuze. So guys, I want you to go on Facebook, Instagram, all their social media handles and follow them. Boksburg Boutique and Hotel, located in South Africa, close to the airport. Sezvandataura conference room. This is the conference room, guys. Hey, Solidarity akuflexa. Hey, anyway guys, look at the beautiful conference room where you and your team, you can come and just do your meetings, and you know what I'm talking about. Ndovanenda panze ndakutaridzai kuti pane weather yakanaka inonzi chikwa vegetation. You can actually go outside and sit, and just feel the breeze. This place, it's so intact. Kune avo vanoda privacy. Ipapa pamunda wayo. You know what I'm talking about. So this room inonzi save yourself. Inonzi chichiko nechirungi yanzi chikwa yekuti you can buy your food and come and cook for yourself. Wotogara kungoripamba pako wakagara 1 week 2 weeks ndiwe. Save yourself. You cook by yourself. You do everything by yourself. As obvious, honestly, chinja my sheets and all that. So guys, please come at Boksburg Boutique Hotel, close to the airport. I'm going to put the address at the caption, on the caption. Ndanda kuchiflexa ka imimi kunewa ndakuvanoda kurasika apa ndo pandiri kutaura apa eka Solidarity. I'm actually thinking of getting my fans, or 5 fans, 5 of them, and bring